how to add Ask button on Tumblr. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add the Ask button to your Tumblr blog. This feature can really enhance your interactions with your followers. So let's get started. First, log into your Tumblr account and head over to your dashboard. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left, then tap on account and then scroll down until you see blog settings. Tap on it and then you'll see your home page. Scroll down, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now on the settings page, you'll see an option called Ask, and under that you'll see Let People Ask Questions. So what you have to do is toggle it on. If you want to enable the Ask button, make sure to toggle this option to on, because if it's off, even if your theme supports the Ask button, it won't show up. So here I already have it toggled on. Now you can also customize the title of your Ask button. For example, instead of Ask Me Anything, you can change it to Inquire Me. Just tap on it and you can easily change the text. Now, just after typing in your preferred title in the box, what you have to do is scroll up to your address. Now after you find your address, tap on the link. And then there you go. On your home page, you'll see an inquire option. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.